So you know I have to do this in 5 minutes or less, right? In at least 5 minutes. Flawless in 5 is actually 6 products you can put on in 5 minutes or less. And it's about polished skin, a defined brow, defined eye, a flush cheek, and a luminous lip. So I'm gonna apply the linen Intense Skin, keep the focus of the coverage on the center of the face. Press in the center and then whisk it. But for me, doing it on you, I like to kind of I can't be as crazy. The second step would be the concealer. I like to start on the inside corner of the eye and draw these inverted stripes going down, and then I like to sweep one across. I want to just press the concealer into the skin with your ring finger. And now the third step would be to apply the brow. Warmed the pencil up. I go in and draw hair-like strokes, and then I'm going to take the spoolie and I'm going to pull the color up and blend. So then I'm going to apply the mascara. When you're applying the mascara, you just want to rock it back and forth, but you also want to keep the formula concentrated on the base of the lash and then blend it. The fifth step in Flawless in 5 would be to apply blush. I'm going to use Melon on you, which is my new favorite shade. It goes from an apricot and has really cool undertones, almost like a little lavender sheen. And I want you to smile. And I just dab, press and pat, on the apples of the cheeks. The next step is to apply the lip gloss. So I'm just gonna sweep it across. And the great thing about this lip gloss is it is not sticky. And so I'm just gonna now sort of blend. It brightens the lip and gives you a luminous finish. Can you see?
Oh, I love it. It's so natural. I can't believe you did that in 5 minutes.
Yeah, I think I did it in 4, but you can take 5. Yeah, but see how just polished and finished you look? You look healthy.